So I just want to take you on the new way to add sensors to your coolers within the Food Safe System app. So just as we have the app here open on my phone, so just go into the main page there. So you want to go into just the coolers. So in here we have your list of coolers that you'll have set up. These are obviously just test ones. We have set up here, and in there you'll be able to see what sensors are attached to your fridges. So we have already assigned sensors to your account, which will then be available within the app for you attached to your sensors. So we click on top one here, so we go to here. To see here we have, we can connect to a sensor, so either you can connect to a sensor here, or you can add the temperature if you're doing it manually. But here we're going to connect to a sensor, so we're going to click on connect to a sensor. And then that comes available, the sensors that we have already available added to your account and are available to you to add. So we pick one of the sensors, we'll pick number 408. We'll then tap pair that sensor. And that sensor is then connected to your cooler. So we come out of that. So if you want to change the sensor, if you already have a sensor connected to your cooler, you can go into, so we'll just pick this one here, 827. So it already has a sensor connected to it. So if you want to change sensors, go into settings here. So we're going to unpair that sensor here. Be sure you want to unpair, yes. So now that cooler is in ready to connect to a sensor. So if I again click connect to a sensor again, and the sensors that are available are now listed here. So again we can pick one. It's right listed at per sensor. And that is the new way to add sensors to your coolers quickly and easily within the Food Safe System app.